Hello, today we have the February 22nd, it's Saturday, 2025. I found this 2 days ago. I found these duos, which this one is mango flavored beef jerky, feed your sweet side. These are Jack Links, they're 2 flavored 1-bag duos. Then we have the other side had feed your spicy side jalapeno beef jerky. And then we have the another form of duos, and this one's feed your hot side buffalo style dried smoked and seasoned cut chicken. And on this side you have feed your chill side ranch. I got them at Walmart right up near the cash registers. I just opened them, so right here's the thing that I ripped the pot off of it, and it says 9-gram protein, made with real 100% beef. So, should I do the jalapeno or the buffalo? In between, I'm gonna pause it and... Sorry about that. Pause this and take a, I'm gonna clean my, get the hotness out of my mouth in between. Okay. Oop, big chunks. That looks like a tongue. Ooh, I can smell the spiced jalapeno on that. This has to have mango mixed in because they don't have a separate bag, so. Very soft. You can taste the jalapeno. Can't really taste the mango. The sinew on that is makes it a little tough, but the rest of it's soft. The meat is. Sinew is it's like veins or ligaments. It's like that in between the meat. Not bad. Not too hot or spicy either. Put that off to the side. I'm going to try another one in case I can see if I can try and see if I can find the taste of the mango. Maybe I have 2 different kinds of meat. That ain't spice. I just got something in my throat. Another piece of meat I got out of there. A piece of jerky. Sorry about that noise, that's my scanner going off. Not too spicy, good. I might have just called it together, mango jalapeno. Yeah, I could eat this all day. I'm going a palate cleanser. Alright, let's try the other one. Try the buffalo and the Cool Ranch. Now this looks like chicken. Doesn't look like a jerky. Don't look like beef jerky. Is it chicken? Grilled, smoked, seasoned cuts of chicken. Okay, these are cuts of chicken. The other one is beef jerky. So it's chicken jerky. Slightly sour, but you get the ranch taste in it. not much buffalo taste. Try a slightly oranger one, see if I can get the buffalo. Nope. If the people like ranch would like this. You won't get much buffalo style taste in it. If you do, get a slight zest. They're like a little over $3 a bag. I would go with the jalapeno mango, then going with the ranch buffalo. I'll give this an 8. I'll give this one no, not an 8, not 8, a 7. I'll give this a 6. But if you like ranch, it could be higher. I'm not that fond of ranch since when I'm growing up. I started eating Doritos Cool Ranch. I ate almost the entire bag. This was like I think it was the 10-ounce bag. I think I ate 8 ounces. 8 ounces of the bag, and my lips started to go numb, and my hands started to go numb. After that, I quit eating ranch for a long period of time. Now I can eat ranch, but I'm not really fond of it. I'd rather go for the blue cheese than the ranch, but either one's not that great. And I don't like that fresh stuff they have. It don't have any flavor. So, well, I'll go with as I said, this kind of like the best. And these are both together. And alright, well, guys, have a good day and hope you enjoyed this.